What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So pretty stoked. Doing a guys trip this weekend, heading over San Ian Pass, heading back to the Metolius again, one of our favorite spots. I think there's 5 or 6 of us going, and we're doing fishing, which I don't know how fishing is going to work because it's supposed to just continuously dump snow up there. So it's going to be a definitely fun and interesting trip, but I'm excited, waiting for Dustin and Mitch right now, and then we're going to head out and start heading up towards the pass. So stay tuned and we'll just see how this trip goes. It's going to be fun. Dustin showed up. Where's Mitch?
Sleeping.
Oh, lame ass.
I gotta run in and get something to drink.
I grabbed a couple gallons of water.
I've got 2 gallons of water, plus we grabbed a bunch of bottled water, and we've also got about 30 gallons of beer.
You have any old leaf springs hanging around?
No.
Damn.
Let the fun begin. Well, we're on our way.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably just do that. I found, like, I guess,
I don't know when we'll start seeing snow, but it's definitely going to be fun.
Is that what it's called? They make, like, a bump stop kit that'll, like...
Being good citizens here and going to help these people get their truck unstuck. Got Mitch, and use this kinetic rope.
You don't want that shackle coming at the back of your car.
At least it's not snowing right now. At least it's not like dumping snow.
Nice way to watch the traffic.
You're good right now.
Right over there?
Yeah.
Back up a little bit.
You're good.
All right, you ready? Here we go.
You're gonna have to give it a little bit more.
Here we go. Fucking have the 2-wheel drive, dude.
That's 2-wheel drive.
Here we go. Is he hitting the gas?
Yeah.
Feel clear. Here we go.
Okay. Stop. Mitchie. Stop. You're good.
Jeez, I keep hitting the gas. Please come out more. It's still stuck.
One more time, quick. One more time, quick. Just get him out. Don't slide in my rig. Okay, stop. Mitch, you're good. You're good. Mitch, you're good.
Don't go forward just yet. Back up, Mitch. Back up.
That thing went the fucking tree!
I'm happy. You're happy. You're lucky I bought that on Amazon. Put yourself out of the road. He's got to go drive, buddy. There you go. Thank you so much. Yeah, absolutely. That thing worked like a charm. I'm getting one of those.
Like
Way better than the toe strap.
Oh yeah.
So much less.
It pulls. Yeah.
Dude, that thing was awesome. Thank you so much.
Do you guys want to air your back tire or air your tires down just a little bit until you get to town?
Yeah,
I have a thing to air them down.
All right, we're at the Santiam Junction. We're gonna air down and just be safe. Got some little quick air down things. Pretty wicked. All right, we're all aired down. Time to make it over the pass, and hopefully we can find camp before dark, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to start plowing through snow. So we're gonna keep on going, just see what happens. But so far it's been pretty fun.
All right, guys, get ready.
Mitch and Dustin are checking out a spot down towards the river. They said they found one. I think we're gonna keep going a little bit though and see what else we can find. I know there's some better spots up the road. So we'll just keep going. I love it out here, it's so pretty, so beautiful.
So I can check it on my phone. Isn't that sweet?
What is it?
I can check my whole battery.
Oh, that's cool.
My second battery. Look, it dropped from 12.9 to 12.3. I think everything's getting old.
No.
6 volts on startup. I know, isn't that crazy? It said it was gonna drop an inch or two.
That'd be cool. Alright guys, it's bedtime. First night down. They're all talking out there, but they're getting ready for bed. I am getting all cozy, got the heater running. Yeah, pretty warm. Digging it. Every night guys, see you in the morning. Morning guys, it's day 2, Saturday, 7 o'clock in the morning. Slept pretty good. Stayed nice and toasty, thanks to the diesel heater. Probably gonna get up here in a second and start making some breakfast, or some coffee at least, and get the day going.
First thing you keep in mind is fish are lazy. Okay?
Fish are lazy?
Fish are lazy. So you're gonna want to look for like seams. So see how there's that fast water meets the slow water over there?
Yeah.
And basically all the way around. That means it's deeper over there. And they're gonna sit in that and wait for shit to come by and just grab it. And so you want to cast to those and just run along those seams. With streamers is probably a little different, but with like a bobber, really what it's called. So like this backwater, it's like I'll run something like a nymph through it maybe.
Let's see if we can catch some fish.
No. Yeah, there ain't no fish in here.
Let's see. He's gonna make dinner.
The bears are awake.
Mitchie Poo's awake.
The bears are awake.
I hate generators.
Go
Spies them.
Go shut it off.
Spies.
Go shut it off.
Oh, I know how Kyle gets mad. It's fun.
Nick's alarm went off and woke me up.
Everyone's getting their fishing poles ready. See what they can catch. I might fish, but I'm not sure yet.
Oh.
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Mitch is having issues over here.
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
I think you're having issues. You're always having issues. It's just a stupid idea. It's cold, 21 degrees. And it's gonna get colder tonight, like 13, 12, who knows. Anyway, I'm sitting in my car trying to get a little bit warm while I transfer some files over to my computer so I can free up some space on my computer, my camera, before I go out and do some more footage for Mitch. I'll put a link down below to where you can have access to the bags if you'd like. They're pretty legit bags. They're awesome for fishing. We're out here doing some fly fishing, so figured might as well do some commercial stuff for him, I guess you could say. Having fun with it, enjoying it. Pretty out here. One of my favorite areas. Yeah. So we'll just keep going through the day. Going to get up not pretty early, but pack up in the morning. I want to get home before noon and chill out with family for the rest of the weekend. And yeah, but it's definitely beautiful out here. Love it.
start heading home. I'm on my way home right now. Got to get over the pass and book it home. Sucks, but family comes first. So we'll see you on the next one. Shouldn't be longer than a couple weeks. We'll be out. If you like our channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it. And you guys have a good day. Enjoy your weekend.